What's up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make solid shampoo bars. They're really quick and easy to make, plus they perform amazingly. The bars produce tons of suds, foam, and lather. As always, check out the description for helpful information like the recipe, tips, updates, the supply list, and more. This is a very soft or loose recipe, so you don't have to follow it exactly or even close to get great results. The powder surfactant is a cleanser and creates foam and lather. Add any base powder like milk powder, clay, etc. If you don't have panthenol powder, just omit it. The emulsifying wax gives the bar structure. The shea butter adds moisture and a bit of structure. The liquid surfactant boosts foam and lather. Here I am adding liquid colorant. For that tutorial, click the information icon. I did this recipe in different phases, but I discovered that melting all the ingredients together at once yields better results. Keep heating and stirring the mixture until everything is melted and evenly distributed. Last, add heat-sensitive ingredients, like fragrance oil. For the liquid emollient, I added Surf Pro Helia, which is also heat-sensitive, but if you don't have this, you can add liquid carrier oil or just omit it. I'm using this mold. It will be linked in the description. I lightly dusted it with gold mica first. Make sure to pack the mixture well in the molds. You want to work really quickly here as the mixture cools fairly quickly. It doesn't harden quickly, but it becomes less workable fairly quickly. Make sure to flatten and smooth the tops as much as possible. Let the bars cool and harden, which takes about an hour, then unmold them. I used this stamp set to stamp the bars. It will be linked in the description. You definitely want to cure the bars at least 4 to 6 weeks before you use them. Okay, so I stamped the bars right after making them, but you really should cure them 4 to 6 weeks first. They stamp and perform better once they've firmed up a bit. If you use them right away, they'll still be soft and the bars dissolve a lot quicker in the shower. So for instance, this is a shampoo bar that I let cure at least a month now for sure. And you see how much better, not only does it stamp, but it's a lot harder as well. The bars didn't come out perfectly and the sides are jagged. Now this doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, make sure then that the mixture is still hot and malleable. Work quickly and be very sure to pack the mixture very well, like as much as possible in the mold. Just to prove to you that it can be flat, see, you can definitely mold them flat. If you're sensitive to hot messes, please avert your eyes. This is my natural hair. I can style it, but honestly, who has the time? I normally just put it up and I'm good to go. Can you imagine if I went out in public like this? Oh my God, it's so embarrassing. All right, so you're gonna wet your hair first. And then you're gonna rub the bar in your hands or on your hair to create foam in a thick lather. Wash your hair as you normally would. Can someone please tell me why I look like a bodybuilder here? Seriously, like, I do work out. I run 5 miles a day. But a few months ago, my husband told me that I needed to lay off the push-ups. I genuinely thought he was just being like judgmental or whatever, but I can see now exactly what he was talking about. Anyways, as you can see, I thought the bar was really fun. I mean, I really had myself a good little time in the shower. Something about all that foam and lather it's just really fun. Massage the big clouds of foam and thick lather into your hair until you feel it's clean enough. Then rinse it. Then condition afterwards. I always condition twice, once to untangle my hair and a second time to coat my hair for added moisture. I don't know if you've noticed this, but there's like a little piece of blue shampoo bar stuck in my ear and it's really aggravating me right now. That's all I can focus on. All right, so we're back. The shampoo bar cleaned my hair, but I would not suggest to anyone to just use that if you have dry hair or colored hair or damaged hair or frizz or split ends or anything. Definitely use a conditioner. But it's like the same as a shampoo. I didn't use any other products besides my shampoo bar and conditioner. Cheap, very cheap dollar store conditioner, as you can see. And it's perfect. This is Bum Bum leave-in conditioner. This scent is amazing. And I like to just spray it in my hair like that. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. The next tutorial will be a behind the scenes tutorial, but the one after that is a super moisturizing hair butter, which I'm really excited for. For more awesome tutorials just like this, subscribe now. Just click my face right there in the middle.